Motivation for all you guiltlings out there. It's Lord Vader today. It's Lord Vader. It's Sunday, the 26th of November. I'm about to do a sickening leg workout video. It's sick, it's pissed, it's revolting, it's insulting, sickening leg workout video. Just about to sweat. I had a good Thanksgiving. I hope you folks did too. Had a good Thanksgiving. I ate some food, got a little bit of mass on me. So we're going to be doing a sickening high volume training leg workout video today. It's sick, it's pissed, it's revolting, it's insulting. We'll do a little bit of abs, a little bit of stuff like that, so I'll let you know that going to work, put you through show you this leg workout video today. I am going to do this. Just want to let you know that I had a good night last night. I went out, did some of my video games. It was awesome, it was sick, it was pissed, it was revolting, it was insulting, and I'm about to ready to do a leg workout video. So, have an awesome day. Slept all day yesterday, I was out of it. I think my B12 low, something like that. So we're about to put to the gun show. Hit this leg workout video. Look at those sickening wheels. Sickening wheels. Sick. It's pissed. Revolting, it's insulting. Put you through this leg workout video right now. Show you what I got. Alright, peace out. When I hit this leg press, baby, it's sick, it's pissed. Woo! They shoot more moves there. Weight, a lot of weight. Leg workout video, 3 plates. Squat 180. Good weight. Good weight. Six, 185. Pretty good weight. Do a leg press. Chest. Hold it down. Woo. Look at those hands. about 5:30, almost dark. The sun is almost gone down. I am going to Busybody West Gym to work out, to do a workout video. I've been kind of sick from the weather, sleepy and tired. Had a good Thanksgiving. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, fans. About ready to go to the gym, do some legs. People want to see a leg workout from me. They got their chance. I'm going to do a leg workout. It's going to be sick. It's going to be pissed. It's going to be Nature Boy Ric Flair. So I'm getting ready for that. I'm on my way to the gym. I'm leaving my house right now. Alright, peace out, bro. So we got some live peacocks out here. Leaving the gym right now. The sun is going down. Day's almost over. It's 5:30 right now. 5:30 p.m. I'm about ready to go to the gym and do a sickening leg workout video. Fans requested it, so give them a leg workout. They got all these peacocks out here. So I'm just gonna let you know that I've been having a real sleepy day today. Slept all day today, but I'm up now. I'm ready to go to the gym. It's 5:30. It's awesome. It's sick. It's piss. Just let you know that I am gonna stop at the gas station. I'm getting a low tank. Gotta stop for gas. Let you know that I am gonna be taking a trip to DC. If any fans want to see me, and New York next year. Vacation with my mother. It's gonna be awesome. So, leaving my gate right now. About ready to go to the gym down at Busybody. We'll be back, fans. Peace out, bye. Just got it done at the gym today at Busybody. Did a leg and back workout. It was awesome. Hope you enjoyed your holidays. As you remember, I did the 2012 leg PJ workout video November 13, 12, 2012, where I threw up and vomited in the workout video, as all you remember, with PJ and Aaron. And today I'm going home to get ready for the museum, and I'm gonna go to work. And today I'm just letting you know, fans, I did a back and a leg workout. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed your holidays. The year's almost over. We're going to see the new movies this year at the end of the year. It's a surprise. Not going to say what it is. But I had a good day, and I just want to let you know it's pretty sunny out now, so I'm about ready to get going, and I hope you enjoyed it. Peace out. Bye.